Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see part 3 of trigonometric identities, which is actually a request from one of my subscriber Mumtaz Rafiq. So let's see some more problems under this topic. For part 1 and 2, link in the description box below, you can check that out. Now let's see this problem. Prove that sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. So first let's write what is LHS. Here LHS is sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta, right? So this implies, if you see the numerator, here sin theta is common, right? So let's keep that sin theta outside. We are left with 1 minus 2 into sin cube theta. One sin is outside. So here we are left with sin square theta, right? By, in denominator, cos theta is common. So let's keep that cos theta outside. Here we are left with 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? So this implies sin theta into 1 minus 2 into sin square theta. We can write sin square theta as, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, right? So you can replace this sin square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. By cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. We will simplify this further. This implies sin theta into 1 minus 2 ones are 2, minus of minus is plus 2 cos square theta, right? 2 into cos square is 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this implies sin theta into 1 minus 2 is minus 1 plus 2 cos square theta by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1, right? So now if you see here, we have 2 cos square theta minus 1, and in denominator we have 2 cos square theta minus 1. So this and this will get cancelled, right? We are left with sin theta by cos theta. We know sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta, which is equal to your RHS. Now let's see this problem. Here we have proved that sin theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. So first let's write what is LHS. Here LHS is sin theta by 1 minus cos theta, right? Now let's multiply and divide by 1 plus cos theta to this term. So that will not make any change to this term, right? So let's do that. Multiply and divide by 1 plus cos theta. So now your LHS will be sin theta by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. We multiply by 1 plus cos theta and we will divide by 1 plus cos theta, right? So this implies sin theta into 1 plus cos theta by, here denominator is of the form a plus b into a minus b. So you can write a square minus b square. Here a is 1, so 1 square, minus b here is cos theta, so b square will be cos square theta. Since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square, right? So this implies sin theta into 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta can be written as, we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here we want 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. So you can replace 1 minus cos square theta by sin square theta. So this can be replaced with sine square theta, right? So here 1 sine theta is gone. So we are left with 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. 1 sine is already gone, right? So this implies 1 by sine. 1 by sine is nothing but cosecant theta plus cos theta by sine theta is cot theta. So this is nothing but your RHS. Now let's see one more problem. Now let's see this problem. Prove that sin theta minus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta minus cosecant theta the whole square is equal to 1 minus secant theta into cosecant theta the whole square. So first let's write what is LHS. So LHS is sin theta minus secant theta the whole square plus cos theta minus cosecant theta the whole square, right? So this implies sin theta minus, what is secant theta? Secant theta you can write as 1 by cos theta, right? The whole square plus cos theta minus cosecant theta. You can write cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta, right? The whole square. Since we know secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, similarly cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, right? This implies, here if you see, this is of the form a minus b the whole square. We know a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So a here is sin theta and b here is 1 by cos theta. So a square sin square theta plus b square 1 by cos theta the whole square, that will be 1 by cos square theta minus 2 into ab, 2 into a here is sin theta into b here is 1 by cos theta, right? Plus this is of the form a minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. A here is cos theta and b here is 1 by sin theta. So a square will be cos square theta plus b square will be 1 by sin square theta minus 2 into a here is cos theta into b here is 1 by sin theta, right? So this implies, now let's group the terms. Sin square theta plus cos square theta we'll write first. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus, now let's write this term 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by sin square theta. Alright, so now we are left with this term and this term, right? So in these two terms minus 2 is common, we will keep that outside, minus 2. Here we are left with sin theta by cos theta. So minus is outside, so minus into plus is minus, right? So 2 is outside, we have cos theta by sin theta. So this implies sin square theta plus cos square theta, we know it's 1 plus, so now let's take LCM here. Here the LCM is cos square theta into sin square theta. So your numerator will be sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? So minus 2 into, we'll take LCM here. Here the LCM is cos theta into sin theta. So here we have to multiply by sin theta. So sin into sin is sin square theta plus, here you have to multiply by cos theta. So cos into cos is cos square theta, right? Here why did we write 1? Since we know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this implies 1 plus sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by cos square theta into sin square theta minus 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by cos theta into sin theta, right? So this implies, so now if you see this is of the form a square plus b square minus 2ab. Agreed? Here A is 1 and B is 1 by cos theta into sin theta, right? So A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to, you can write this whole term as A minus B the whole square, right? So A here is 1 minus B here is 1 by cos theta into sin theta the whole square. So let me do here, this implies 1 minus, we know 1 by cos is nothing but secant theta into 1 by sin theta is nothing but cosecant theta the whole square, which is nothing but your RHS. Now let's see one more problem. Now let's see this problem. Prove that secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A is equal to 1. So first let's take LHS. Here LHS is secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A, right? So this implies secant A can be written as 1 by cos A, right, into 1 minus sin A. So you can write secant A as 1 by cos A plus tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Since we know secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta and we also know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, right? So this implies we have 1 minus sin A by cos A into, let's take LCM. Here LCM is cos A. So here we have 1 plus sin A, right? So this implies, here if you see the numerator, this is of the form A plus B into A minus B. So you can write A square minus B square. A here is 1, so 1 square, minus B here is sin A, so B square is sin square A, right? By, we have cos A into cos A is cos square A, since A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. So your RHS is 1, we have to reduce this to 1. So this implies, so we have 1 square minus sin square A. We know sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We want 1 minus sin square A. Here A is theta, right? So this is cos square theta. So 1 minus sin square A can be replaced with cos square A. In this case it is A, right? By cos square A. So cos square A is gone, which is equal to 1. This is nothing but your RHS. So this is it in this video. I hope you understood today's topic. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. See you soon. Till then, take care. Almighty bless.